你们好. Today we are learning about the weather. Weather in Chinese is tiān. I forgot to make it a heading, but this will do. Tiān is weather. When you're asking someone about the weather, how you ask is 天气怎么样?天气怎么样?天气 is weather. 天气 is weather. 怎么样 is how you ask someone about the condition of something, the situation of something. So you are asking, what is the weather situation like? What is the weather condition? How is the weather like? That is what these two words mean. That is what this phrase or this sentence mean. This is 问题. I explained it means question. This is 回答. 回答 is answer when you are replying to a question. So the question is 天气怎么样? And when you are answering, you can say any of this depending on what the weather is like where you are. Say you are like outside the country, for instance, and you have a friend in Nigeria and you want to ask, how is Nigeria's weather? You will not just say 天气怎么样? You can say 你日历下的天气怎么样? How is Nigeria's weather? And this is how you answer depending on the weather condition. 天气很热. That is, the weather is very hot. 你日历下的天气. That is if you are replying someone who is not in Nigeria with you. If the person is in the same place with you, like we are both in Nigeria and you're asking me 天气怎么样? It means you are asking, how is the weather like in my own area? Then I can say 天气很热. It is hot. 天气太热了. When you say 太 means too. That's T-O-O. When you say 太热了, you are saying it is too hot. The weather is too hot. 太贵了. It is too expensive. Remember that when you say 太, it must be followed by 了. After saying what you want to say, you add 了. 太贵了. 贵 is expensive. So when you say 太贵, you add 了. 天气很好. The weather is very good. 天气很冷. The weather is very cold. 天气不冷不热. You are saying the weather is not cold and is not hot. That means the weather is warm. Then 下雨了. 下雨了 is that it is raining. 下雨了. You is rain. 下 is to fall. So it is raining or it has rained. That la there is for like something that is past or something that is happening right now. You can say 现在下雨了. And you can also say 下雪. 下雪 is it is snowing. 雪 is snow. 下 is fall. So if you say maybe it snowed, you can say 下雪了. It snowed. So these are some of the sentences you can use to respond. Now let us write the characters. 天气. Okay, let's start from 问题. Let's know how to write 问题. You do these dots, do like this, and this inside. This is when. T is written like this. You know how to write 是 or 是. You write 是 and then add this. This is 题, 问题. 天气. You know 天. 天. T is like this. Write another line here and then do like this. 天气. You will remember this radical from 作业. You do this, then write this under. This is 怎么. This is 么. 怎么样. You do like this. 1, 2, 3. Bring it down. 怎么样. We have already looked at this, but I'm writing the characters. 天气. I'm going to be fast with this because I have showed you how to write it. 天气很. We have actually learned how to do 很. 很热. Okay, this is R. This one is a new character. You know Geo. You write Geo, then you cross it here and do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is R. Hmm? R means hot. It also means heat. Hen is very. The second one is 天气太热了. Tai, it is too hot. The weather is too hot. 天气 again. Tai. Do you remember how to write da? Da 学生 da. After writing da, you just do like this. This is tai. Once you write da and you do this mark here, it has become tai. So 天气太热. We write r again. Do you remember how we wrote it? We did like this. We wrote jaw here, crossed it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 太热了. We now put 了. 天气很好. 天气很好. We did how when we were doing 你好. 天气很冷. 天气很 I write these characters often, so it's easier for me now. So this is how to write long. You do like this. Do this. You have this in Jintian. This is long. Cold. Then 天气不. We don't have enough space here anymore. 天气不冷不热. The last one, I'll write it somewhere else. 天气不. Do you remember how we wrote bu when we learned how to write bu? Bu long, this long, bu long, bu r. One, two, three, four. That is, the weather is not cold and it is not hot. It's neither cold nor hot, meaning it is very cool. So the last one, 下雨啦 and 下雪啦. Let me write it here. 下雨啦. 下雨. This is you. Very interesting character. See the rain. See the rain. You know that 下雨 means rain. See the rain here. 下雨啦 and 下雪. 下. Okay, when you write this here, of course it has to be smaller because you will write something else under it. You see, this is like this. This is actually the same thing as this, but because something will come under here, that is why it is smaller, but it is the same radical. So now after writing this, you do this. Do like this. And then close it. It's looking like E that is facing the other way. Is it inverted E? How do they say it? So 下雪啦 will be it snowed. So this is the character for 下雨啦, 下雪啦. When you get here, you put it. There is no space. That's the reason why I wrote it here. Now I want to give us 1 or 2 sentences to help us understand better. So here is 明天的天气怎么样? What this means is, what will tomorrow's weather be like? For someone to ask you this, the person is expecting you to quote the weather forecast. The second sentence is 天气预报说明天可能下雨. This means the weather forecast says 天气 is weather, 预报 is forecast. So 天气预报 is weather forecast. Sure means to say. So the weather forecast says it might rain tomorrow. 可能 means may or might. So it might rain tomorrow. Let's write the characters. 明天, 明天, we have written 明天 before. So I'll just do this fast. 明天的. I don't know if I explained the. The is used to show possession. 明天 is tomorrow. This means tomorrow's weather. Tomorrow's weather. If I say water, I am saying mine. Water shoe, my book. Water baba, my father. Now, if it is someone, if it is a person and the person is close to you, familiar with you, you can remove the da. So I can say 我爸爸, 我朋友, 我妈妈, 我孩子, because those are family and friends. Those are people who are close to me. 明天的天气, tomorrow's weather. This is the character for da. 明天的天气, 天气怎么样? This under it. 怎么样?怎么样? Okay. And here is the answer. Even though I made it number 1 sentence, number 2 sentence, but this number 2 sentence is actually the answer to number 1. 天气预报. 天气预报. This is how to write 预报. Did you see what I did there? Do like this. Like this. Then you add this radical that was in wenti when we wrote wenti. This is you bow. You bow. Now bow. Bow. Did you see what I did there? You bow. Sure. Sure. This is sure, to say, to speak. 说明天.可能. See how to write 可能. 可能. Nang is like this. We have written nang before. Then these two radicals that look like T. 可能下雨. 下雨. You are saying the weather forecast says it may rain tomorrow. 天气预报 weather forecast 说 says 明天 tomorrow 可能 may 下雨 rain. Please copy this note and the previous one, the one I wiped before I wrote this. That will be your 作业, and we write our 作业. So this will be all for today. In our next class, we are going to finish up with Chinese alphabet, the letters of the Chinese alphabet. You remember that there are 47 letters of the Chinese alphabet, but we only did 26. So we have 21 to go. We will do that in our next class. Till then, 下课，再见。